Yes, hello guys. This is a laptop. So A-1707. It's a broken glass here. See, this glass is broken here with the touch bar, everything here. So we have to repair the whole thing. I already started, but I just want to show you. It's not very hard. Just see here. This is 2016. 2017 16 i7. So the touch was a little broken here. I'm gonna show you how to repair it. Just see, it's very easy here. So what you do, just start from there. Okay, so you should have a liquid. This is liquid alcohol, little bit. Have something like this. This is a very strong plastic, but if you have even this one, it's good. So I'll start with this. So just start from here at the corner here. Just try to do with something, just do on the right here on the top here, a little bit slowly, because it's very slim. You can do it, and you must watch this part. This part have a plastic here, so don't take the plastic out. So do it here slowly, and then start with this. I was supposed to make a video before, but I just started. But just start when you make. Okay, so when you're gonna do this with this, it's gonna go inside. There's a on the top side here. See here, you can see it here. Top side here, there's a plastic double tape, but it don't have on the bottom. So don't go on the bottom, because see, these things are very important. So I don't want you to touch these things. There's something could happen, you know. So do slowly here. Take it out. I was right here. So see, it's a little hard now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna heat it up. You need to heat it up. Heat it up again, little bit. Not so much, just little. And then use this alcohol. What I told you, I have it here. I just get a little bit with this and start again. See, like this. You see, it goes inside. Don't go right at the bottom, just a little bit, because the plastic is right here. This is the plastic. This is the tape. Just remove this tape. So once you have a cap, yeah, on the top is a tape, little bit. They don't have a tape on the bottom, I think. On the top, everything is on the top. See, this is actually, this tool is very important. I actually got it from somebody. I bought like some glass protector. It came with that inside the glass protector. So it's very thick, but you can get something like this. This is, I can tell you where to buy. It's also good, but this is a metal. So this is plastic. So plastic is good for all electronics. So all this is the way you take it out, and just clean it nicely. See, this is the tape. The tape is on the top, it's not on the bottom. So you must understand that tape is on the top. So just try to work only on the top here. So it should look like this. I have already tape on the top also. See, that's what I was telling you. The tape only here on the top. On the bottom, there's no tape. So only top you have to click it. It goes and it connected, and the bottom you don't have to worry about. So I think we just clean, everything is clean here. See, the plastic is good, it's safe. It's not like I broke the plastic. So I'm gonna remove this and I'm gonna put it on. Let me show you. It goes here first, here, and then just make sure it goes in the just remove all this first, and then just put it slowly, because the tape is only on the bottom. Here you go, inside. Here you go, inside. That's it. Just use your finger or thumb to put it inside nicely. So is in. See here and here. It's inside. It's in. This side too. And just close it. And it's good. You see? Perfect. That's it. This phone is working for all that they're working, so I think it's good, yeah. See.